Today we will start exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. The first sum is, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. So first, number 1, let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. Now if you subtract half from a number, then we subtract half from a number, that means x minus half. Okay, why? Because you subtract from a number, you subtract half from a number, so we subtract half from a number and multiply the result. This is the result. Multiply the result by half. Multiply the result by half. Okay, and what you get? We get 1 by 8. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, so we have to solve it. So 2 will comes to right side, x minus half, cross multiplication, 2 by 8, that means 1 by 4, or x minus half equals to 1 by 4. Now this minus half, when comes to right side, it will be plus, so 1 by 4 plus half. Now what we do? We do LCM. So if we do LCM, then 4 will come to the denominator. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 1, 1, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore x is 3 by 4. Okay, the number 2. In number 2, the question is, the perimeter of a rectangle, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. Perimeter of what? Rectangular swimming pool. How much it is? 154 meter. Very easy sums. All these sums are very easy. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. So how much its length? 2 meter more than breadth. So let the breadth be x. Let the breadth be x meter. Therefore length will be how much? More than 2 meter of breadth. 2 meter more than twice the breadth. Twice the breadth. That means how much will be length? 2x plus 2. Twice means how much? Twice means how much? Breadth is x. Its twice is 2x. Okay. Again, more than 2. What is its length? Length is 2 more than twice its breadth. So twice of breadth plus 2. This is length. Now according to the question, what is the perimeter? What is the formula of perimeter? What is the formula of perimeter? We know the formula of perimeter is, what is the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. We know the formula of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth of a rectangle. Clear? So according to the question, we can write 2 into length is how much? 2x plus 2, plus breadth is how much? X. That is equals to how much? 154. Or we can write 2 will comes to this side, then 2 will comes to this side, then 2x plus 2 plus x equals to 154 by 2, or we can write within the bracket it is 3x plus 2. 154 divided by 2, that means how much? 7. That means 77. Or we can write 3x. When 2 will come to this side, it will be how much? 77 minus 2. Or we can write 3x equals to 75. Or we can write x equals to 75 by 3. Therefore x equals to how much? 75 divided by 3. 3 to the 6, 1, 5, 5. So it is how much? It is how much? 15. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 15. But what we have to find? Length and breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So breadth is how much? 15 meter. Length will be how much? 2 into 15 plus 2, that means 32 meter. Okay. The next question. The base of an isosceles triangle is number 3. Base of a isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means is a triangle whose any two sides are equal. Okay, the perimeter of the triangle is given. Perimeter is how much? Perimeter of the triangle, it is how much? 4 2 by 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is 4 by 3 centimeter. Base is 4 by 3 centimeter and perimeter of the triangle is the centimeters. Okay. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So base is given here. That means this side is given here 4 by 3 centimeter. Total of the sides is given 2 by 3 centimeter. 2 by 3 centimeter means how much? It is 15 for 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 centimeter. Now if we subtract total, if we subtract from total from base, then we get the side, then we get the length of equal sides of the triangle. So equal side of the triangle will be how much? 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Okay, why we do it here? Why we subtracting 4 by 3? Why we subtracting 4 by 3 from 62 by 15 centimeters? Because total of the perimeter is how much? 62 by 15. Total of the perimeter is 62 by 15. From this 62 by 15 we subtract 4 by 3. Why 4 by 3 we subtract? Because this is the base. This is the base. If we subtract base from total of the perimeter, then what we get? We get the remaining two sides length. So now what we do? LCM 15 divided by 15, 1, it is 62. 5, 15 divided by 3, 5 into 4, it is 20. So it is 42 by 15. 42 by 15. It is 42 by 15 centimeter. So 42 by 15 centimeter is of what? Both this two sides of the length. So each side length will be how much? So two sides, two equal sides length equals to 42 by 15 centimeter. So each side length will be how much? 42 by 15 divided by 2 centimeter. That means how much? 42 by 15 will come to the denominator by 2. It is 21 centimeter. Divided by 3, it is 5. Divided by 3, it is 7. So it is 7 by 5 centimeter. It is 7 by 5 centimeter of each side, of each equal sides. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? The remaining equal sides will be how much? These sides will be 7 by 5 centimeter and these sides will be 7 by 5 centimeter. Okay, remaining 4 and 5, these two sums, 4 and 5, remaining these two sums, you try. Okay, you try it. So this is your homework and we will see it tomorrow. Okay, thank you.